Hi, this is Everest Watercolors. Welcome to my classroom. Now today I'm going to do a painting, and it's going to start to be a compositional study using a black and white photograph. Then I developed a value plan and a design. Then I went ahead and painted it with just two colors. And I think you'll be surprised at what colors I chose. And then I finished up. It's kind of semi-abstract. So I used speed up the video a little bit so you can get through it quickly and see the end results. So let's go to my painting table and let's get started. Now here's a black and white reference here. And from that I did a design and value study. And I'm using a Gemini watercolor paper, a little sheet of paper, 6 by 6 inches. And I'm using two colors, lemon, yellow, and Payne's gray. And I'm investigating that the color mixture there gives me a green. So here I'm blocking in the major shapes. That's a half-inch natural hair brush from Silver Brush that I'm using. The description of all the material I have here will be in the description below. Now I'll put the value study next to me here to show that I'm following the design. Here I'm continuing to block in the light values with that color mixture. And every time you add colors together, in this case yellow and Payne's gray, which is a black, you'll get a different mixture. Every mixture will be different. Light, dark, medium, more gray, less gray. Now here I'm mixing, adding the darks. I'm adding a lot of Payne's gray here into a puddle. And I'm adding the dark areas around in the background. And this really sets off that light color to give me a nice contrast. So investigating here, I think the color contrast between the light green or yellow mixture and the dark black with the Payne's gray gives me a very high contrast between light and dark. It's almost a monochrome painting, except I'm using two colors. And adding the darks around the edges here, different places, building up the dark. Here I'm adding a little bit of water to the mixture because I'm getting a little light value in some places. It's not all dark. It's a medium value. Using that dark to define the edges and the shape. The experimental paintings are something here I've always been interested in. Using different values, different colors. In this case, a simple little painting, but I'm trying to make it more interesting by using a different color contrast and to come up with an interesting design. Now I'm putting in some super darks now, the final darks around the edges for those shadow patterns in the background. Refining the edges of that particular subject. Now the clue of what I'm painting here, of course the photograph showed you what I was going to start with. But I really wanted to have it as an abstract, semi-abstract painting. And there's the final product. That turned out nice. And I'm going to call that Green Reflections. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell to be notified of my next video. Give me a thumbs up, it helps in my ratings. And make some comments about this video. I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.